Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel India Yoga with Krishna, and I'm your guru Krishna. So guys, it's a 6th day of our 30 days yoga challenge for beginners or for intermediates. So guys, as you're learning, like last 5 days you're learning the new yoga poses every day. Today also we're going to learn something on stomach's yoga poses. So, but you know that before we start our yoga poses, we finish our this our stretching, the warm routine, and Surya Namaskar routine. So if you haven't done yet that, then just pause this video here and finish that, and then come to this yoga poses section. So, and if you're done, then it's very good. Just keep doing, continue with me. So don't skip any part. Today everything is new. Every yoga pose is a new one. So just keep doing with me, keep practicing with me. So first, as I mentioned, today we are doing some every yoga poses on stomach one. So let's first lay down on stomach. So in this one, lay down like this one, and the first one, that's the Makarasana or crocodile pose. For that, put your chin and support with your palms like this one. See, okay, and be there like this one, and just rotate or do your legs like this one. Just try to touch your hips with your heels and breathe normal. Keep in mind, breathe normal. Do it at least for 2 minutes. Keep in mind, just kind of just work with your legs. Don't use your full body, and don't go the wrong way like this one. No, usually people do like this one, like they're using the full body. Or full body is moving, so don't do like this one. Just do only move your legs like this one. Okay, do it for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes with like the single legs, do it with the both legs. And for that, it's like this one. Okay, do it for at least 1 minute. Breathe normal, still breathe normal. In this particular yoga pose, is breathe normal. Okay. After finishing this one, we do the cobra pose or bhujangasana. For that, we just put our hands side of our shoulder line like this one, and legs or heels should be like the flat, and while breathing, lift your just upper part. Try to bend your back, use your core muscles and your hands and your shoulder muscles, and get this position while breathing. And don't lift too much like this one. Okay, no, it's not like this one, it's like this one. And hold this position and count 10 in mind only. And while breathe out, slowly go front, relax for a bit, maybe 10-15 seconds, then again go for another round. So breathe in and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly breathe out and relax. Do it at least 5 times. Okay, we did together 2 times, but you have to do at least 5 times. And the next one, this one is a cobra pose. Now second one is the half cobra pose. So how we do that one? Here we using our hands to support the upper part, but in this one we don't use our hands from the front side. Okay, so in this one, put your hands on your back like this one. Hold your one hand with your other hand's wrist like this one, and then while you're lifting your upper part, stretch your hands in the air. Keep them in the air. Don't put on your this hips area. Keep them in the air, and then lift your upper part. See how it looks like and how we do this one. So while breathing, it's like this one, and hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly breathe out. Okay, do it at least 3 times. It looks easy, but it's very hard actually. So let's do one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly breathe out. And don't lift your legs, only lift your upper part. Relax here for a bit, maybe 30 seconds. And now the next one, that's called locust pose. For that, you lift your upper part and your lower part, and your hands beside your body. So you that also you will take them in the air like this one. Okay. So let's do this one, and we'll do this one while breathing. While breathing, you lift your both body parts, like upper and lower body part, and then hold your breath. Don't breathe out, breathe in and hold. Okay. So let's do it. And hold this position for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly breathe out. Do it this one at least 3 times. Today is a little bit different one, so do it 3 times each one. Okay. So now let's be the locust pose. The next one is half locust pose. For that, we now lift only our legs area, the legs part. So for that, the upper part should be only on yoga mat, and put your hands under your thighs. And from here, lift your both legs together and hold your position. While breathing, lift and hold your position. Okay, and hold your breath. It looks like this one. While breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly breathe out. Use here your core muscle strength and your back muscle strength. Okay. Let's do one more time. While breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly breathe out. Okay, now we finish the half locust pose. There's one more, that's a Nokasana or boat pose, but this one is reverse Nokasana, reverse boat pose. So how we do it? Let's learn. First, it has a 2 variations, so I'll teach you the both. Okay. First, take your hands in front like this one. Okay. And first, let's do with the one hand and one leg, the cross legs. Okay, cross body part. So first, if you're lifting our right hand, then we lift our left leg. So let's do, so we understand more easily. So first, let's with the right hand and left leg. So while breathing, lift. It's like this one, and hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Now to change the hand and leg. So it's a left leg, left hand and right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it 3 times with each side. 3 times with the right leg, 3 times with the left leg, and 3 times with the both legs and hands. So let's do the 3 times, or with both body parts, both legs and hands. So for this one, just lock your thumb like this one and lift and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly breathe out and relax. So okay. So guys, now we done with the yoga asanas. So guys, now let's do the breathing technique, or you'll say the pranayam section, the last section. Okay, so let's do the Bhastrika or skull shining breathing technique. It's very fast, it's very, it's not that easy to do. So do practice with someone who know this one, and if you don't, then I'll teach you how to exactly, so you can follow me and do this one. So first, how we sit like this one, and it's a Kapal Bhati. You have to actually it's very intense, so just trying to keep following me.
So first, and you can keep your eyes open. Breathe in, and then okay. Now maybe you don't have any idea how it looks like when you're doing this one. So you see this one. It's very I'll elaborate you very easy way. So first, put your hands on your stomach area and breathe in. And while just don't push, just keep here and try to be let's say push your stomach a bit inside like this one, okay, using your core muscles or your stomach muscles, and then breathe out. It's like that. So breathe out like that, inside your stomach, breathe out, okay. But keep in mind here, you don't breathe in again. It's like you only throwing. First you breathe, deep breathe in, and then you're throwing your breathe out, 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 out. Then you exhaust, again breathe in, and then again out, 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 out. It's like that. So let's do this one, and then I teach you how, or maybe I'll first show you how people do it wrong. So first, it's a breathing, how you in and how you breathe out. So you will understand why I'll do the both sides. So you will even hear the sound of breathing, and then you understand. Okay, this is the different. Okay. So first the right way. So first, okay. Now the wrong way. How is now hear the sound of breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Here. Now here you can hear the both sounds, breathe in and breathe out. You can hear that one, but it's wrong. So how we do it very easy, or the proper way, when is you just breathing out, you throwing your breathe out. So it's like that. You only hear sound of breathe out, not the breathe in. So keep in mind this is the breathing technique. So let's do it at least for one more. First, breathe in, and then again breathe in. Okay, so now that's called the alternate breathing technique, and you know how to do exactly because we already done this one. Today I'm not going to teach you how to do it. Let's do it together, and because we already did that one. Okay, so just if you haven't following me like last some of days when we starting this, it's today is like 6th day now. So if you haven't following me like 5 days before, then just go and watch some of this video, or maybe you can check out on my channel. There is a separate I made these videos. So watch that, and then you will understand exactly. So today now we're doing only the alternate pose, or the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So for this one left hand should be on your knee. Keep sit straight, and let's start. First, breathe in with the right side. Hold for 3-4 seconds, and then slowly breathe out with the left side. Again, breathe in, and while breathe out right side. Breathe in from the right side only again. Hold 3 seconds and breathe out with the left side. Again, breathing from the left side, and breathe out right side. And now keep doing it at least for next 2 minutes. And if you have more time, let's go for the 5 minutes. And if you don't have that much of time, do it at least 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Last Om chanting, and then finish with the Shavasana, or the cups pose. So you know how to do the this Om chanting. So close your eyes, put your hands on your knees in the yogic the no less mudra pose, and breathe in. another one. Let's do one more time. Okay, we did together 3 times, but you should at least do 7 times, and so you can just pause this video here and finish your 7 times, and then we do the Shavasana. So I'm going to the Shavasana. The corpse was last one. The relaxation pose or kind of sleeping. So everyone like this one most. So just relax. Relax your every body part. You know how to relax one body part at a time. You already know. I already taught you. So just relax. Tension free, full body. After being in this position for around 2 minutes, just rub your hands and gently put on your eyes one more time. And now slowly open your eyes and don't lift directly from front. Just turn around your right side, sleep for a while, maybe stay there for 10 seconds. And then just say the last stretching part. Okay, we do every day this thing. First breathe in, and while breathe out go the right side, and while breathing lift left side, lift, and the last one front. Okay. So guys, that's all about today's yoga class. I hope you like this one because it's a 6th day. I'm really happy that you guys following me, you guys doing practicing at home. But still I want, please share this video who might want this one to do. So please share this video as much as you can. That's you give me so much support, and I really need your support, guys, because it's very new, my yoga channel. So just keep supporting me, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get also the video updates every day. So that's all about today's yoga pose. Tomorrow is the 7th day, so just keep practicing with me. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Namaste.